What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Betrayed by Lil Xan. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, there's not a whole lot to this song. You're starting with a capo on your first fret. You're only using 3 chords. Your first one's going to be an A minor. That's index finger, first fret B string, middle finger, second fret D string, ring finger, second fret G string. Then you're going to a G, that's ring finger, low E on the 3rd fret, middle finger A string, 2nd fret, pinky, high E string, 3rd fret. And then you're going F. It's going to be index finger back to the 1st fret on your B string, middle finger 2nd fret on your G string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, ring finger 3rd fret A string. Strumming pattern's very, very simple. You can do whatever feels best. What I do is a simple down, down, up, down, 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 up, all throughout the chord. So it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So if you want to know the notes for the little plucking that happens in the song, it's pretty simple as well. Put your ring finger on your 7th fret on your D string, and then use your index finger on your 5th fret to bar your E, B, and G string. Now, it's picked like D string, B string, and then G string, E string. And you gotta you're gonna have to curve your ring finger a little bit so that you don't hit the G string, make it buzz, but it looks like this. Again, that's D string, B string, G string, E string. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.